Are you looking for the best electric strapping machine? In this video, we will show 3 best electric strapping machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Electric strapping machine for 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch PP PET straps, 2 by 4000 mAh battery-powered automatic banding tool, all-in-one portable baler for box and pallet packaging. Versatile for PP and PET strapping. Our electric strapping machine handles 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch PP and PET straps with ease. The adjustable power and speed make it ideal for a wide range of applications, from light cartons to heavy-duty pallets in various industries. Dual batteries for all-day runtime. This strapping tool has 2 rechargeable and detachable lithium batteries. Each battery is 4000 milliamps, and each battery can be fully charged with about 250 to 350 packing tapes. Only charge for 90 minutes, then it can work outdoors for about 5 hours. All in one. This automatic banding tool streamlines your packaging by automatically performing tensioning, sealing, and cutting of PP PET straps. With knob-adjustable sealing time and tension force, it drastically reduces labor time and boosts overall productivity. Number 2. HIGHTOP electric strapping machine with LCD screen, 2 x 4000 mAh battery, portable electric banding tool for 1/2 to 5/8 inch PP PET straps, automatic pallet packaging banding tools for strapping. Work well, update new model. The electric strapping machine V2 model is update. Work efficiency is higher than the previous JDC and JD. It takes only 5 steps to easily pack an item. Make packing easier and less time-consuming. LCD screen display. The strapping machine unique design of the LCD electronic screen allows you to quickly set the pulling force and fusing time you need, improve work efficiency and accuracy. Large capacity 4000 mAh battery. We provide an extra replacement for the strapping tool, so you do not need buy battery. Each can be recharged 3000 times, only charge for 1 hour. Strong pull. The tensioning force of our electric baler can reach 3200 N, makes the machine tie tighter when baling products. Work well in various packaging scenarios, for example paper industry, aluminum industry, steel industry, wood, wooden box packaging, chemical fiber, cotton spinning, chemical industry, metal products, and other industries.
Number 3. US Solid electric strapping machine with LCD screen tool. Portable baler for 1/2 to 5/8 inch PP PET straps, 2 by 4000 mAh battery-powered automatic banding box pallet. Size, medium. Material, aluminum, iron. Color, dark blue. Brand, US Solid. Vehicle service type, car, truck, boat, ATV, van, motorcycle, UTV, watercraft, snowmobile, PWC, bicycle, RV. Higher work efficiency. Compared with manual strapping machines, automatic strapping machines can save you a lot of time and labor. The machine combines tensioning, cutter, and banding in one machine, with no need for buckle or seals, while improving efficiency, reducing the waste of strapping roll, and saving steel resources. Also, without the need to connect wires, the portable electric baler can work anywhere, anytime when fully charged. More advanced technology. Compared with other automatic strapping machines, US Solid strapping machines use an LCD screen instead of blindly adjusting these parameters through knobs. Moreover, this will allow you to intuitively know the specific values you set in the packaging process through the data displayed on the electronic screen, and you can quickly set the same product next time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.